Meron lamang ho tayong babatiin, sabi nga natin pagka may mga magagandang, nagagawa ang mga opisyal ng gobyerno ay ating pupurihin. Okay, gaya natin sinasabi, kapag may mga opisyal ng gobyerno na gumagawa ng mali ay ating binabanatan dito sa ating programa. Pero kapag may ginagawa na makabutihan ay atin namang pinupuri, mga kababayan. Isa sa ating tatalakay ngayon itong, Cavite, Police Provincial Office. Congratulations, Cavite PNP, ah. Nakalagay dito sa report kaya maganda ito, minsan na sila makatanggap ng award pero marami naman. Kaya sabi dito, the Cavite PNP badge for awards during the celebration of the 123rd Police Service Anniversary. Camp Brigadier General Pantalon Garcia, Imus, Cavite. The Cavite Police Provincial Office under the leadership of Police Colonel Eleuterio M. Ricardo Jr., Provincial Director, received 4 awards during the celebration of the 123rd Police Service Anniversary. Congratulations, Cavite PPO. The celebration of the 123rd Police Service Anniversary with His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. as the esteemed guest, no? Talagang naging bisita nila si President BBM was held at the Philippine National Police PNP in Camp General Rafael T. Crami, Cubao, Quezon City. Ito'y nangyari nitong ngayon, nakaraang kahapon, August 8, 2024. The PNP celebrates the police service anniversary on the 8th of August every year to commemorate the founding anniversaries of each forerunner organization, the Philippine Constabulary and the Integrated National Police, which were established on August 8, 1901 and August 8, 1975 respectively. Congratulations sa Constabulary at PNP. Kinilala pa rin ang inyong pagkakatatag. Anchored on the team sa Bagong Pilipinas, ang gusto ng pulis, ligtas ka. The Commander-in-Chief recognizes and confers awards to deserving PNP personnel and command units that have exhibit exemplary performance in the field of operation. Cavite Police Provincial Office awardees during the 100 Police Service Anniversary Celebration. Yan, ang kanilang Special Units Awards, most number of arrests of illegal drugs. Wow, congratulations, palakpakan natin. Most number of arrests for illegal drugs, CPS level. Class A, Dasmariñas Component City Police Station. Most number of arrests for illegal drugs, CPS level. Class B, Cavite Component City Police Station. Most number of arrests for illegal drugs, MPS level. Class C, Amado Municipal Police Station. Sa Bagong Pilipinas, ang gusto ng pulis, ligtas ka. Cavite, tahanan ng mga bayaning pulis. Yan. Yan po, makikita po dyan yung mga pulis na tumanggap ng award. Kaya sa Cavite PNP, congratulations sa inyo at mabuhay ang Cavite PNP sa pamumuno ni Police Colonel Eleuterio. Congratulations, sir. Palakpakan natin.